Welcome to this new video. This video is about network days. That is a DAX function in Power BI. What network days does is it returns the number of whole working days between two dates. Whatever dates we are giving as input, it will calculate the number of days between that, excluding the weekends. So it returns a single integer number of work. So we take an example of that. So now see we are having a calendar for that. And this network days, what it is having four parameters. The first parameter is the start date. The second parameter is the end date. Third one is the weekend. So weekend they are having around 17 options. So if you are giving one, that means Saturday and Sunday is the weekday. So if you are giving two, that means Sunday and Monday is the weekend. So like that, all the options are here. So you can give a number here. And the next one is the holidays, the last one. These two are optional. If you are not giving weekend, it will take automatically the first. And holidays is also pure optional because if you are giving it will take, otherwise it won't take. So holidays actually it is a column table of one or more dates that are to be excluded from the working day. So if you want to exclude this 14, if 14 is a holiday and you want to put that 14 also in to be excluded from this counting, you need to create a table and you need to put this 14 in that column. So right now we can take an example of, okay, we can let this Monday be the starting date and the Saturday be the ending date. So if you calculate without anything, you will be getting working days as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Saturday it won't take because we are going to give it as 1. That means Saturday and Sunday. So we will just try an example of that. We will create a measure for that. So we can give the measure name as test work days, weekdays equals to, you can give it as network days and the start day, let it be this 12th of Monday. So we can give it as date and the year is 2022 and the month is 9, the day is 12 and the end date is going to be 17th. So we will give it as date 2022-09-17. And now we are going to give as 1. 1 means, okay, the Saturday and Sunday will be omitted. That means the 17th will be omitted and we will be getting 5. And we will drag and drop it in the chart and we got 5 as the number. So we will try another thing. We will try Sunday only. That means it will exclude only the Sundays. Saturdays, it will be taken as weekday. So when you calculate, you will be getting 6. So we will modify this to 11. 11 is Sunday only. So that means Saturday will be included in that counting. So we are getting it as 6. So the next parameter is going to be the holiday because we need holidays also side. So it is not like, okay, working days are including holidays. Working days will be excluding holidays. So let it be 1 itself. And for holidays, simply you can't do anything. You have to create a table and you have to give the holiday. So we are planning to give it as 14th of this month. So we will create a table, just go for enter data. And in this column, you can write it as 11/9/2020. And table name, let it be like that. Okay, we are just trying a sample of it. And we got a new table here and it is having column. Actually, it is having only one column. If you take it and you see, it is having just only one row, only 11th of September. If you are having more holidays, you can give it in this column itself in the remaining rows. So now we have only one row. So we will create a measure for that. We will just write the same measure. We can write it as test work days equals to network days. Start date is date 2022 9/12 and the end date is date 2022 9/17 and we are going to take Saturday and Sunday as weekends. Now the next one is we need to give the table. No other values are just going to take. So we have created a table and the table name is table itself. So you can give the table and you can close the function. So without this holiday, we got 5 working days. Now with this holiday, actually we need to get only 4, 12, 13, 15 and so we will see whether we are getting correct. In this chart, we will be taking it and that is test work days and we got it as 5. Why we got it as 5? Because we didn't give 14 as the date. Actually we mistyped it as 11. You see the column, it is 11th of September. So we will change it to 14 and see. We can go to transform and we can change it. We can take the table, we can go to the source and this we gave it as 11. We will change it in, then close and apply. Now we will check how much is the value. So now the value is 4 because we are given the holiday as 4. 14. This is how this network days will work. We will try a little bit bigger example. So now in this we are having the total revenue weekend and the revenue per weekday. So these two measures we have written as earlier, like for weekend we have given as 5th and 6th day of the week, and with respect to that we are just filtering it and we are showing it. Now here we can write the weekdays and the weekends also, so we can create a measure for that. So we can create count weekdays equals to network days. The start date is going to be a minimum of date column and the end date is going to be max of date column, and we are having a table for, and the weekend is Saturday and Sunday, so we are giving one. We are having a table for the holidays, that is this holidays table, so we will give that holidays table and we will move it to this card visual. So count of weekdays with holidays, we are getting 593. So we can change it to work days. Now without the holidays, we can see how much the count is. So you can create a new measure for that. So count of weekdays equals network days, and the start date can be minimum of dim date, and the end date is max of dim date. And just we need to give one. The other options holidays is we are not going to give. So you can give it to this card also. So we got actually the weekends, excluding the weekends, it will be 783 days. And if you're excluding the holidays also, it will be just 593 working days. So like that, you can use network days for counting the number of days. You can give it as here also. You can give it as a bar chart also. So hope this was an interesting video. You can work on it. Have a nice day.